you guys that worry about the cord catching in the tree, see, it's right there. And there's the SimPole. Look, going up through the trees, and the cord didn't get caught at all. Isn't that cool? That's how I do every other one. And what's nice is the reach. Down it comes. This is the Sim 22. You can't even hear it come down. So smooth. All right. And then if you want to do this off, it just pops off, hose is free, and we're all the way down. And this is with the elbow, the Unger pad, Tucker. So it's a beauty. All right, and then we have the add-on hose. 175 gives you 75 feet of hose, and this is the new PH7. We're going to run a special 1995, well 1999. You get the PH7 and you get a SimPole, and that's an unbelievable deal. The add-on would be the Braille and add-on for a Tucker brush. So anyways, pretty cool stuff.